Introduce yourself. Hello, I am Anna. I am 18 years old. My mother's name is Jessica and my father's name is Richard. I live with my parents. All the members of our family are well educated. I live in New York City with my family. It is a very beautiful city in the United States. My mother is a housewife, and my father is a doctor. They are a very kind person. They love me a lot. I have one younger brother. My brother's single quotes as name is David. He is studying in class 3. We live in our own house. It is beautiful with a big lawn and a small garden. I go to my school by bus. It comes every day at the gate of my house. It is about 7 km away from my home. My brother and me, we are in the same school. We go to school together every day. After I come back from my school, I fresh my hand and face, then I eat some snacks, and after that, take rest a little bit. We go to play. I take care of flowers and plants for a while. My brother also helps me at this time. I am a good student in my class. My teachers are really good. They love me and take care of me. I go to school regularly. I never miss my school. That's why teachers like me. In our school, we play different kinds of games like badminton, handball, volleyball, etc. I love to play all the games. I also participate in the competition. I won lots of medals. I have so many friends in my school. I have one best friend and her name is Julie. I like her because we do everything together. My best friend is very intelligent. She also helps me to solve math. Sometimes she comes to my house. I also go to her house on holiday. I plan to be a doctor. I want to help poor people who cannot afford lots of money for their treatment. I want to give free treatment to poor people. This is my first and last dream in life.
I will study so hard so that I can feel full on my goal.
I also want to make proud of my parents. They also encourage me to complete my dream. They are very understanding parents. My parents always tell me to do what I like. My parents always tell me to do what I like. They have lots of expectations from me. I feel very sad when I see poor people who cannot get proper treatment having financial problems. I want to survive the poor people, especially when I will be a doctor.